As storm clouds gathered over Europe in the 1930s, the Third Reich's military juggernaut emerged with unprecedented speed and power. Led by Adolf Hitler and propelled by advanced technology, the Wehrmacht seemed unstoppable. From menacing Panzer tanks to devastating V-2 rockets, Germany's technological prowess played a crucial role in shaping the conflict. The Nazi war machine struck fear into its enemies' hearts, leaving destruction in its wake. As Winston Churchill declared, "Give us the tools, and we will finish the job." This chapter sets the stage for an exploration of the German army's formidable power and the technological innovations that propelled them to the forefront of global conflict. The German military's exceptional capacity for innovation was exemplified by the Luftwaffe's cutting-edge aircraft. The Messerschmitt Me-262, the world's first operational jet-powered fighter, showcased German engineering prowess. Developed by Dr. Willy Messerschmitt, it reached speeds over 540 miles per hour, significantly faster than Allied aircraft. Despite production challenges, the Me-262 became a symbol of relentless innovation. The V-2 rocket, designed by Wernher von Braun, was another groundbreaking technology. As the world's first operational ballistic missile, it could strike targets over 200 miles away. These advancements, along with radar technology and infrared night vision, demonstrated the German military's forward-thinking approach to weapons development. The story of German Panzer tanks begins in the 1930s, with Heinz Guderian playing a pivotal role in their development and tactics. Early models like the Panzer II, III, and IV spearheaded invasions of Poland, France, and the Soviet Union. As the war progressed, Germany faced formidable opposition, leading to the development of the iconic Tiger and Panther tanks. The Tiger, with its thick armor and powerful 88mm gun, dominated the battlefield. The Panther, designed in response to the Soviet T-34, combined the best aspects of German and Soviet tank design. Despite their prowess, production challenges and Allied bombing campaigns hindered the output of these advanced tanks. Blitzkrieg, or lightning war, was a revolutionary military tactic that defined the German Wehrmacht in the early stages of World War II. Developed by strategists like Heinz Guderian and Erich von Manstein, it emphasized speed, surprise, and concentrated use of mechanized forces. The strategy was first tested in the invasion of Poland in 1939, achieving a stunning victory in just over a month. In 1940, the invasion of France showcased Blitzkrieg at its zenith. German forces broke through the Ardennes forest, catching the Allies off guard and encircling them at Dunkirk. However, the limitations of Blitzkrieg became apparent in the vast expanses of the Soviet Union, where logistical difficulties and harsh weather conditions tested the German army's mobility. The Waffen-SS, born from the shadows of the Nazi regime, evolved into a formidable fighting force renowned for its combat prowess and loyalty to Hitler. Initially a small hand-picked group, it expanded to over 900,000 members by war's end. Elite divisions like Leibstandarte SS Adolf Hitler and Das Reich fought in brutal battles across Europe. The Waffen-SS demonstrated exceptional skill in engagements like the defense of Kharkov in 1943 and the Battle of the Bulge in 1944. However, their reputation is forever tainted by war crimes and involvement in the Holocaust. The fanatical devotion that defined the Waffen-SS proved to be both their strength and undoing as the Third Reich crumbled. The U-boat campaign was a crucial struggle in the Battle of the Atlantic. German submarines, particularly the versatile Type 7, stalked shipping lanes to sever Britain's lifelines. U-boat aces like Otto Kretschmer and Günther Prien became feared predators of the deep. The campaign reached its zenith during the happy time from 1940 to 1941, bringing Britain to the brink of starvation. However, Allied technological advancements like radar and long-range aircraft turned the tide. In a bid to regain initiative, Germany introduced the revolutionary Type 21 electro-boot submarine. Despite its advanced technology, it arrived too late to change the war's course. As the Reich crumbled, the once feared U-boat fleet was scuttled or surrendered. The Luftwaffe emerged as a potent instrument of Nazi aggression, adopting innovative tactics and cutting-edge aircraft. The Junkers Ju-87 Stuka dive bomber, with its near-vertical diving attack, and Jericho trumpet sirens, became a symbol of German air power. Fighters like the Messerschmitt Bf 109 and Focke-Wulf FW-190 provided air superiority, piloted by aces such as Erich Hartmann and Adolf Galland. The Luftwaffe's flexible command structure allowed pilots significant autonomy in battle. However, as the war progressed, the Luftwaffe found itself increasingly outmatched by Allied industrial might and advancing technology. Despite introducing advanced aircraft like the Me-262 jet fighter, they couldn't stem the tide of the Allied air campaign. Behind the German army's victories lay an intricate network of logistics and supply lines. The Opel Blitz truck formed the backbone of Wehrmacht logistical operations, proving indispensable in various terrains. German logistical capabilities were further augmented by the use of captured enemy vehicles. However, as the war dragged on, the relentless attrition of the Eastern Front and Allied bombing campaigns took a heavy toll on supply lines. Shortages of fuel and spare parts became crippling blows to the German war machine. In the end, the ingenuity of German logistics couldn't overcome the scale of challenges faced, as the inexorable advance of Allied forces stretched supply lines to breaking point. The German army's success owed much to exceptional leadership and rigorous training. Commanders like Erwin Rommel, the Desert Fox, and Heinz Guderian, father of the Panzer forces, became synonymous with Wehrmacht victories. Their tactical acumen and ability to inspire troops earned widespread admiration. The iron discipline and training of German soldiers forged them into a formidable fighting force. Emphasis on war games, tactical exercises, and continuous improvement honed their skills. This culture of excellence and adaptation proved invaluable in the rapidly evolving landscape of World War II. The combination of visionary leadership and well-trained troops provided the foundation for the German army's initial successes. Despite its strengths, the Wehrmacht was ultimately undone by strategic miscalculations, overextension, and Allied determination. The invasion of the Soviet Union stretched German forces to breaking point, while logistical challenges hampered their effectiveness. The resilience and industrial might of the Allied nations proved overwhelming. The German army's defeat offers valuable lessons in the perils of hubris and the importance of adaptability in warfare. It underscores the need for realistic assessment of capabilities, strong alliances, and robust logistics. The unwavering determination of Allied forces in the face of initial German successes stands as a testament to the power of human spirit. As we reflect on this complex tale, we're reminded of the importance of learning from history to build a more peaceful future.